Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for dropshipping. First, identify a profitable niche and source products that resonate with your target audience. Next, set up your Shopify store, choosing a professional theme that reflects your brand. Then, integrate a reliable dropshipping app to streamline product importing and order fulfillment. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth start to your e-commerce journey, ensuring you're ready to attract customers. Once your store is set up, focus on sourcing products from trustworthy suppliers who can guarantee consistent quality and efficient delivery times. Personalize your Shopify store's design to create a unique and memorable brand experience for your visitors. Craft engaging product descriptions that highlight benefits and pair them with stunning, high-resolution images. These steps are vital for building customer trust and encouraging purchases on your platform. To drive traffic and sales, implement diverse marketing strategies tailored to your audience. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your products and engage with potential customers. Consider running targeted ad campaigns to reach a broader market. Offering competitive pricing and occasional promotions can also significantly boost your conversion rates and help your dropshipping business grow steadily over time. Efficient order fulfillment is key to customer satisfaction. Automate this process as much as possible to handle increasing volumes. Always prioritize providing exceptional customer service, as positive experiences lead to repeat business and strong word-of-mouth referrals. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to identify opportunities for scaling your product offerings and expanding your market reach. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.